today I am going to be presenting what is the best way to do in a rainy day, in my opinion. So the first thing, I like to play in the rain. But first you have to take an umbrella and open it, so you don't get sick. After that, you can go into the pool, but first you have to use swimming goggle. Then you can look up and see the raindrops falling from the sky. Then if you're tired, you can go back inside your home, then drink a hot chocolate, or you can watch a movie. So that is my idea of playing in the rain and relaxing. Thank you everyone for listening. Do you have any questions? What? Yeah. What? Of course. What?
You get sick because it was raining and the water in your swimming pool is cold.
No. What sky?
You told me you never sick.
Yeah.
You fake.
No, I do swim sometimes.
Yeah, okay.
So my question is, what is the first thing you can do in a rainy day? What?
Get an umbrella, go outside and play in the rain.
Yes, that is correct. This is everything in my presentation. Bye.
Okay, very good. Thank you.